fucking jump.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. So today we're going to do another triple shoe unboxing. So we're going to start with the first shoe, try to get you guys some footage of the tag. I hope it's in focus. But this is the Air Jordan 6 Retro Wash Denim Black Cell. These are sitting like ducks. Nobody really wants these because they didn't get the Levi's branding. Got these from a shoe store. Let's see, Snipes from Newark on Broad and Market Street in Newark, New Jersey. Got them a little shout out because they gave me a little deal on them. Get that lace lock out the way for you guys. Get a good look at the shoe. Adjust the camera again real quick, guys, because you don't need to see the box. Like I said, this is a pretty good shoe, even though it's not Levi's branded. I think that's how most people passed on it. I bought these to sell on StockX and GOAT, so you guys are getting them. Most likely are getting them from me. This one is kind of in bad shape, so I said I was going to keep this one for myself. I don't know if you can see it's a couple loose stitches. And I'm going to show you guys the bottom. A lot of people have been asking to see the bottoms of the shoes. Well, there you go, guys. This is the Air Jordan 6 Retro Wash Denim Black Cell. Gonna go on to the next shoe. This next shoe for me was an eBay pickup. I had a pair before, but I sold them. Everybody's probably had a pair of these. I had a chance to buy it. Unbox for you guys. Get rid of this package here real quick. Let's take the shoe out. Open the box. Try to get you guys some cam footage of it. But this shoe is the Air Jordan 3 Retro Smoke Gray and Chlorophyll, aka the direct to outlet Jordan 3. I bought so many pairs of these from the outlet, it was a shame. Sorry guys, the camera cut off on me, so we're gonna have to do this one over. This one is the Jordan 3 Retro Smoke Gray and Chlorophyll, aka the Jordan 3 Chlorophylls. I kept this shoe. I meant to sell this shoe, but I had to keep this one because it had a little scrape here. And like I was just previously saying, I like to only sell perfect shoes, our own perfect shoes. So if anybody's interested in a pair of size 11 Chlorophyll Jordan 3s, let me know. Like I said, this pair is for sale. I showed you the one imperfection that it had on the shoe. It's nothing major. It's just my OCD kicks in and I have to unload it. This is a very nice Jordan 3. I wouldn't wear it without the Air Jordan tag, but let you guys see what it looks like without the tag, with the tag, and we'll do the bottom for you guys. I also like the back of this shoe with the green Jumpman and the Air mark on the back. Alright guys, let's get to the next shoe. Alright guys, this next shoe I also got from Snipes, Newark, New Jersey on Broad and Market Street. I'm affiliated with them, but they gave me a deal on these shoes also because the box was bad. I don't know what's up with these stores and these bad boxes, but let's get you some more footage. This is not a Jordan. I have GN Nikes or GR Nikes general releases that I have to go through as well, so I'm starting to work on those. If you're in Newark, stop by Newark. New Jersey Snipes on Broaded Market. If you don't mind bad boxes, they'll look you out. Like I said, if you complain, they'll give you a deal on the shoe. This is just the normal ghetto, aka hood, black on black Air Force One. Dead stock. You know, if you're from the East Coast, tri-state area especially, New York, New Jersey, you have to have various Air Force Ones in your collection, or are you really a sneakerhead? Like I said, these are nothing special, just the normal Air Force Ones. Like I said, everybody's seen these, probably wore these to death. I'll put the numbers down below in the video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the shoes. Let me know what shoes you want to see in the future. Also, before I go, let me let you guys know, never wear your Air Force Ones without, of course, you know, sneaker shield toe box. If you don't want creasing, these things will crease from the first time you put them on your feet. We have these for sale, so if you guys want some, make sure to contact me. I have fully stocked, all sizes. I also want you to protect your shoes, so you want to get either buy a roll of the shoe protector from me, or have it installed in the shop. And you want to put grip pads on the bottom after you put the sole protectors on, and this should make your Air Force Ones last practically forever. You'll have them 10, 20 years, won't be a problem. They'll look brand new, run brand new. Alright guys, thanks for watching again. Ozone out. Everybody fucking jump!